हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कॉमर्स का लेसन प्लान दैट वाज रिगार्डिंग द मैनेजमेंट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द लेसन प्लान। स्टार्टिंग में आप इस सबकी इंट्रोडक्शन चीज़ों डालोगे लाइक डेट, पीपल टीचर नेम, क्लास, सब्जेक्ट, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ द पीरियड, पीपल टीचर एक्टिविटी एंड द टॉपिक। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द journal aim. First journal aim is to improve the student ability to understand the commerce. Next, to enable the student to get journal information. Next, to develop knowledge and understanding of commerce. Then we have some specific aim. First, cognitive. To enable the student to recognize the meaning of management, they will be able to define the function of management. Effective domain. They will be able to perceive previous knowledge about the management, able to recognize the nature of management. Psychomotor, to enable the student to apply all the information to set up their business, to enable the student arranging all the measures in future life. Then we have some teaching aids. So first teaching aid is chart of nature of management. Previous knowledge. Student have a basic knowledge about the topic. Then we have introductory question, serial number, people, teacher, activity, student response. First, before doing any work, what all things do we? Student response, we do planning before any work. Next, planning is done to make work easy. Next, name the collective term used which makes one work easy. Student did not respond. Statement of problem. Today we will study about the management. Presentation, serial number, teaching points, people teacher activity, student response and teaching methods, and the blackboard. First, developing question. Process of planning and regulating the activity of enterprises is called process of planning. The activity of enterprise is called management. Question answer method is used. Explain in detail about the management. No response. Management. It means to manage the thing. Through management, we can make work easy. It describes coordination. Student listen carefully, and the method is lecture method. Then we have a developing question. What are the characteristics of management and what are the nature of management? We have two characteristics of management, that is tangible and the universal applicable. The question answer method is use. Nature of management. The nature of management are, it is a process, it is purposeful, it is activity based, it is group based, and it is universal and it is dynamic. Students are listening, and the method is lecture method. Comprehensive questions. How the management is purposeful. Characteristics of management. Explain any two nature of management. Then we have a blackboard. Management means to influence person to do work in more efficient and effective way. Inspection work. Teacher is to taking around in the class. Teacher value the problem of people. Recapitalization. Define management. What is nature of management and explain any two characteristics of management. Then we have a homework. Write the detailed information about management. Thank you so much.